Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to generate images using AI. I'm very sure that over the past couple of days you've seen a lot of amazing images that people have shared over social media. And some of you have been keen about knowing how to be able to generate these images yourself. So in this video I would show you how to generate these images using an app. So the first thing you should do is to navigate to the app. You would see this interface. That this interface will be displayed, the enhance interface. So the first thing you should do when you get to this interface is to click on AI photos. Now when you click on this AI photos, it will take you to another interface. So the first thing you should do is to click on the AI photos. Now, like I promised, I would definitely mention the name of this AI as we progress in this video. So the first thing you should do is to click on the AI photos. That's when you click on the AI photos, that's the process you would follow to generating your videos. This enhance is to enhance. If you click on the enhance is to enhance already existing images or images that are in your gallery, or maybe the AI images. So yes, you click on the AI photos. The AI photos take you to another interface. There's no photos here. Pick a model image to start generating photos yourself. So if you click on plus, if you click on that plus icon, it's going to take you to another interface. Now, this list says generate your photos with AI. So the next step you should follow is to click on let's do it. Click on let's do it. When you click on the let's do it, it's going to take you to another interface. So when you click on the let's do it, it is going to take you to another interface. Now this interface says let's set up your AI profile. So you have to choose the gender of the image you are trying to generate. Is the person a female or a male? For the sake of this video, we are going to be choosing a female because I'm a female. So let's click on the female. When I click on female, we'll click on continue. Now let's click on female and then let's click on continue. Let's click on continue. Now note the interfaces of the app is not this slow. It's because I reduced the timer so that everybody can flow with the video. So you click on upload 8 selfies. Now when you click on upload 8 selfies, it takes you to your gallery. You have to pick 8 selfies, and these 8 selfies, the images must be clear, sharp, so that you won't be getting a different thing entirely, something that does not look like you. So you pick 8 images. This is my process of picking 8 images. Now, disclaimer alert. I know some people have told you that this app is free. It is not free. Click on, the next process is to click on continue. Like I said, it is not free. You have to pay. But I heard that the app is free for iOS. It's free for iPhone users. So this is where you have to pick the frame you want your image to look like. Is it aesthetic? Is it casual? Is it official? You can see it says as you generate for 1,430 naira. Despite the fact that I chose free trial and it accepted that I should do the free trial, it asked me to pay. I paid, and these are the images that I got. Now the name of the app is Remini. You can see it, Remini AI is a Remini. The name of the app is Remini. So now if you don't like the images that are being generated or they don't look like you, the thing you should do is that you can see the way the images are moving to the left. I'm the one moving the images to the left. So you move the images to the left. The ones you like, you move them to the right. Now as they are moving, the app might ask might ask that why are you moving the images? Is it that you don't like them? Just say yes, or they don't look like you. That option is going to be displayed for first time users. Yeah, and also note for the first time users, it might take a couple of minutes for your images to be generated. Just be patient. And if you don't like the images, you can click on change model image, and you can click on generate more for replica and replicate of the images you want. Yeah, all your images will be saved in gallery. Thanks for watching. Bye.